Okay, so Jim Cramer is at it again. Warns Solana and Litecoin holders, says he wouldn't touch crypto in a million years. I'm going to go and zoom in there. A million years. Jim Cramer is definitely talking about crypto in a different way. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Now, CNBC host Jim Cramer is warning people to stay away from cryptocurrency, especially Solana and Litecoin. In a new CNBC interview, Cramer says he has sold all of his digital assets investment and will not enter the space again in aftermath of the FTX collapse. That's what he's saying. I will not touch crypto in a million years because I wouldn't trust the deposit bank. They fought regulation. They didn't want regulation, and you don't have regulation. That's why he's saying he's not going to touch cryptocurrency, which I have some understanding with that, but I wouldn't say touch cryptocurrency because it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Doesn't matter what he says. So if you have money in any of those, look, I'm not calling you an idiot. I'm just saying you're using a lot of blind faith, and I like to have my money in JP Morgan. See, that's what it is. He may be actually representing JP Morgan. Why would he say that? And I check on Monday to see whether my balance is there. It's there. It feels good. Now, Cramer questions whether anyone's investments are safe, saying he had challenges cashing out his funds from a firm he would not name. Try getting your money out. I'm not going to mention the firm that I had my money in, but it was a fight to get the money out, a fight. See, he had basically a bad experience, so he's now telling everybody do not do crypto. That's so wrong, man. That really is. He had a bad experience, but then he's going to tell everybody not to do it just because he just may not have the best experience. He specifically attacks Ethereum rival Solana and peer-to-peer payment network Litecoin, and think that everybody who owns these various coins, I do think you're an idiot. See, he's calling people an idiot. Maybe he's just trying to get ratings. Maybe he's trying to get attention. Okay, I did not go to college to get stupid. These people who own these things would not own them. They shouldn't own them. Cramer also calls some blockchain projects the creation of money by cretins. This is crazy. I don't think cretins should create money and then suck people in. These are worse than even the worst NASDAQ stock. So there you have it. He's calling people cretins and idiots and saying, I will not ever hold crypto again. We may have to come back to this story once he starts buying his first cryptocurrency. But him to say this, it's a little bit of, it's kind of wrong. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the Clear Crypto YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you in your next video.